Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best power supply stations. This list is based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the power supply stations in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. Once we reach 1,000 likes, we will pick a winner and notify him. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best power supply stations on the market right now. Coming at number 5, we've got the Anker Powerhouse. An option from Anker worth considering. The Powerhouse offers double the capacity as its younger sibling, the Anker Powerhouse 200, but it's almost $200 more expensive. It weighs just under 10 pounds, and it lacks a USB-C port. Instead, it's equipped with a 12-volt car socket, a 1100-volt AC outlet, and 4 fast-charging USB-A ports. It's backed by Anker's signature 18-month warranty. Coming at number 4, Anker Powerhouse 200. Anker's Powerhouse 200 finds a strong balance between price, power, and portability. It features a 57,600 mAh capacity, making it a great choice for recharging larger devices like tablets and laptops several times over. Or you could recharge smaller devices like your iPhone XS a whopping 15 times with this battery. The gadget, which is around the size of a small lunchbox, weighs 7 pounds, has a convenient carrying handle, and is equipped with plenty of ports. You get a 1000-watt AC output, a 12-watt DC output, 3 2.4-amp USB-A ports, and a single USB-C PD supported port for fast charging. The Powerhouse 200 can be recharged over USB-C. The included AC adapter or solar, assuming you have a solar charger, with a 5.5mm DC output. Number 3. Ecoflow Delta 1300. The Ecoflow Delta 1300 is an excellent option for large families with plenty of devices. Not only does it have higher capacity than our best overall pick, 1260 WH, it has a higher max output and a wider range of ports. Unfortunately, it's heavier, bulkier, and a bit more expensive. It typically costs between $1,300 and $1,400. But if you're willing to splurge, this is the model you should shop for. An editor at Wirecutter found that this battery could charge a 13-inch MacBook Pro 20 times before it ran out of power. We like that it has a rubber underside to protect it against damage, and that it has 2 carrying handles for easy transport. This option is equipped with 4 USB-A ports, 2 USB-C ports, an impressive 6 AC outlets, and a single car power socket. Like our best overall pick, the Ecoflow has a pure sine wave inverter, so you can use it to power devices that have a motor, like a mini fridge or a cpap machine. It's also backed by a generous 2-year warranty. Coming in number 2, RAVPower Portable Power Station 252.7 WH. For campers and power seekers on a budget, we recommend this power station from RAVPower. It costs less than practically every other portable power supply out there, but still packs a punch. It offers an impressive 252.7 WH, 70,200 mAh capacity, and delivers a mighty 60-watt PD input-output for powering laptops and tablets at top speeds. It takes about 3 hours to recharge your MacBook Pro in tandem with this battery. The power station is equipped with 3 USB-A ports, dual 110-volt AC outlets, and a single USB-C port that supports the faster power delivery charging spec. It weighs a little more than 5 pounds and comes with a convenient carrying case as an added bonus. It works with solar panels and has a built-in light, and there's a fan to keep it cool too. In the event its temperature exceeds 122 degrees Fahrenheit, the power bank turns off automatically. Number 1. Jackery Explorer 1000. The Jackery Explorer 1000 is one of the most powerful portable power stations money can buy. It will keep your devices running longer because it has a generous 1002 WH 46.4 AH capacity. It's powerful enough to be used in tandem with an electric grill and other camping equipment, or can be used to recharge your laptops, tablets, smartphones, GPS devices, speakers, and more. It features plenty of ports, including 2 USB-C, 2 USB-A, 1 DC car port, and 3 AC outlets. The latter are pure sine wave AC outlets, so you can safely use it to run a CPAP machine or devices that feature a motor. The battery offers a rugged build quality and a convenient carrying handle. It weighs 22 pounds but is still light enough to be carried with one hand. If this model is too far out of your budget, Jackery sells a similar variant that is smaller and has lower capacity, aptly named the Power Station Explorer 500. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best power supply stations. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.